Can you make a successful YouTube channel without showing your face? You absolutely can. The channel, Philosophy for Life, is an example, and it gets over 1 million views per month. Practical Psychology is another example, and it gets around 700,000 views per month. These channels and many more, like them, never show the creators' faces. Based on the average views these channels get, we can estimate that these channels make almost $5,000 per month just off of ad revenues. And none of them showed their faces. If they can do it, you can too. To maximize your success, you need to first choose the right niche. I recommend one of the following: health and wellness, money, happiness, or relationships. Both of the channels I mentioned earlier, as well as many other successful channels, fall into one of these categories. So how do you get started? Once you get your YouTube account created, and decide on which niche to focus your channel on, follow these 4 simple steps. Number 1. Come up with a video idea. Go to other successful YouTube channels in your same niche and write down an idea that you really like from one of the popular videos on that channel. Number 2. Write a script in Google Docs or a similar software in your own words, don't copy and paste. Number 3. Record your voice in a voice recording app, or if you don't want to use your own voice, you can purchase an app like Takia that has numerous AI voices that will read the script for you. Number 4. Use a whiteboard animation software to create your video. You can use a software like VideoScribe or Doodly for this. You import your audio, create your animation by adding text, characters, and different items. It's really simple to learn. Be sure to change the scene and keep things moving so you don't lose the viewer's attention. You should also add background music, but make sure the volume is at around 10% so that you can still hear the voice. Once your video is created, you can export it and it's almost ready to upload onto your YouTube channel. One last thing is to make a custom thumbnail. You can use an online website like Snappa or Canva to do this. Get good thumbnail ideas from successful channels, but don't copy them exactly. Just use the main elements to make your own. Now you need to optimize your video. Fill out details for your video like title, description, and tag words. Again, get ideas from other successful channels in your niche. So you uploaded your video and made it public. Your video is up. Congratulations! Now, how do you get people to watch it? You've already done the first part, which is focusing your channel on a specific niche. You will also need to be persistent. This is the hard part for a lot of first-time YouTube creators. Try to make at least one good video per week consistently. Remember, some successful channels took years to make money. You already have a head start though. To get monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. This is to make money from ads. But you can also make money by having affiliate links on your videos, so you make a commission whenever someone clicks on your link and buys a product or service. You can find participating companies on websites like Digistore24 and ClickBank. Successful channels don't just happen by chance. There's a very deliberate plan and method that, when carried out consistently over a long period of time, produces results. If you're interested in accelerating your channel's success, there are courses available where you can learn from experienced YouTube experts so that you can make money on YouTube much sooner. One of the best ones available is a course that Matt Parr created, called Tube Mastery. You can find the affiliate link in the description below. I highly recommend it if you have the will and the means to invest right now. Please leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.